In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a network diagram in Microsoft Project. A network diagram is a powerful way to visualize how your tasks connect, the order they need to happen in, and where the critical parts of your schedule live. Think of it as a map of your project's logic. Boxes represent tasks, and arrows show the dependencies between them. If your plan already has tasks and links set up, the network diagram will translate that structure into a clear visual flow. Start by opening your project in Microsoft Project. You want the file that already contains your tasks, durations, and any dependencies you've defined. The network diagram doesn't replace your schedule, it reflects it. So whatever relationships are built into your plan will appear here as boxes and connecting lines. Next, look to the ribbon at the top of the window and go to the View tab. Microsoft Project organizes different perspectives of the same plan under this tab, so you can switch from a task list to a timeline, a Gantt chart, or, in our case, a network diagram. You're simply changing how the information is displayed, not altering the underlying data. Now click Network Diagram. As soon as you do, Microsoft Project opens the network diagram view. On screen, you'll see a series of nodes, each one representing a task. Inside each box, you'll typically find the task name, ID, and duration, and sometimes additional details depending on your configuration. Arrows connect these boxes to show predecessor and successor relationships, the sequence in which work should proceed. Read it generally from left to right, following the directional flow of the arrows to understand order and impact. You may notice some boxes highlighted differently to indicate critical tasks, the ones that directly affect your finish date when they change. The layout helps you quickly spot chains of dependent work, potential bottlenecks, and areas where delays could ripple through the schedule. It's all the same information you'd see in a Gantt chart, but laid out as a relationship map, which can make complex logic much easier to grasp. If the view looks dense, remember that this is normal for larger projects. The key is to use the diagram to confirm the logic you intended and to communicate the sequence of work to your team or stakeholders. That's all there is to opening and viewing your network diagram. Open your project, go to the View tab, and click Network Diagram. With that, you've turned your schedule into a clear visual story of how the work fits together.